What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna test this $17 dashcam. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna test this dashcam on the car and let's see how good it is, if it's good or bad, okay? But first, let's unbox it. This is the dashcam, the brand is Pilot, and it's a 720p resolution, and it has a 4 gigs memory card inside. In here it has a night vision, motion sensor, and loop recording. Means it will continue recording and deleting the old files, so you don't have to change the memory card. And what else? It has the suction cup to put it on the mirror, on the window, the USB charger, and the car charger and USB charger, manual, and the SD card pass. So let's open it. One thing, it says that it's recording 1080p, but I don't know if, because on the box it says 720p, but in here it says 1080p. So I hope it's 1080. And this is the front, so let's see what else is inside the box. How do you open this? So, cable. Cable and the cup. And how do I connect this? Like that. It's already on because I already play with it a little bit. So, but let's see how this one works. Okay, to install it, the first thing you have to do, you have to put the top part inside here. You slide it and put it inside, and then I'm gonna put it right there. It's very easy. I was trying to put it in this like dots, but it fell from here. So if you put it on the window, try the area to be smooth, okay, so it won't fall down. And then the second thing is this one. You have to connect it there, and the connection, what is the connection? This goes inside there. And maybe align it a little bit to the road, and that's it. Let's turn it on. Okay, as you can see, it's already on. So as soon as you start the car, it will start recording. Let's see, and then if you turn the car off, it takes a couple of seconds. Right there. So now it's off. It takes a couple of seconds to turn off by itself. But it's very easy to install it. You can see it there. So now let's test on the road this thing. Okay, I'm here. I'm gonna show you some pieces of the video. I'm not gonna put the whole footage of the camera because it's gonna be too long, and I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, but in this video I'm gonna show you here the resolution so you can see it for yourself that the resolution is not that good, but it's good for on a day view. At night it's not the view. I'm gonna put here little pieces of the day and the night view so you can compare here. Here you can see the license plate. You can see it when the car is close to the camera, but on this area where the car is kind of far away, you cannot see the license plate. Okay, but and now in this video, I want to show you that the night vision is very blurry and very bad. You cannot see anything, not even the license plate, nothing. It's very blurry and bad. So in this one you can compare the night versus the day recording. And put in the comments, what do you think about the camera? The price is very good. I like it, but the resolution I think is the deal breaker. The resolution. Okay guys, that's the dashcam. I got this dashcam from Walmart. It was $17. I think the price is very good. I'm gonna put the link on the description and also other options on the description of this video. Okay, I'm gonna give the pros and cons. So first I'm gonna start with the pros. The first pro is the price. I think that's the best thing about this camera. Is $17 plus with tax is around $20, something like that. Okay. And the second one is that it has an SD card, a 4GB SD card. That's very good that the dashcam comes with that SD card. And the third one is the size. You can see the size is very good. It's not too big and also not too small. You can see it right here. It's very good. The size is very good. I like it. The fourth one is that it has a screen. You wanna see what are you recording on the camera. That is very good. And the next one is that it's very easy to install. You just plug and play. Then that's it. And the last one is the auto recording, that when you start the car, the camera will start recording, and when you turn off the car, the camera will stop recording. And now these are the cons, the things I don't like about this camera, okay? The first one, the resolution. The resolution is very bad. Even on the daylight, it's very hard to see the license plates of other cars. The car has to be very close to the camera to record the plate number, license plate number. That's a very bad thing about this camera. So if you wanna get a camera, get the one that has a good resolution. The next one, the SD card is a 4 gigs only. So with this 4GB SD card, it will only record around 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes. After that, it will start erasing old videos and recording the new videos. So it's better to get a SD card that has at least 16 gigs maybe, so it will record the whole day. Depends on how long you're driving. And the other bad one is the night view is very bad. You cannot see anything. It's super dark and blurry. That's very bad for this camera. But well, what do you expect for this price, right? The motion sensor is supposed to start recording while you move on the front or something, but I tried and it didn't work for me. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. And one thing, I have a Mac and I tried to connect the camera directly to my computer and it didn't work. So I had to get an SD card adapter that was around $7. Well, those are my honest opinion about this camera. This camera is very good. For the price, it's awesome. But the resolution is not that great. So the link is gonna be in the description of the video, and also some options for good cameras on the description of the video, okay? If you like the video, please like the video. And if you're new, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.